Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everyone. Looking at the official reports from some of the surrounding areas and the airport here in Lexington for snow and sleet combined here for the storm total 3.7 inches. Louisville International 5.9. Scott County reported 5.1. A report out of Clark County of 3.3 and down at Rockcastle County around 2 inches. So again, that was storm totals. Obviously, numbers were less to the southeast and more to the northwest. We talked about that warmer air would eat away at the amount of snow and sleet that we would have into the southeastern part of the state. This morning, however, we still have some snow showers and flurries flying, especially eastern Kentucky. Even some of that flying elsewhere. I know it's not showing up on the radar. It's often very hard for the radar, at least farther away from the actual radar site, to be able to see some of the very fine snowflakes that we have that are flying. We can see that one of those cases being here into Richmond. Light snow shower there. At times we've had some flurries and some light snow showers in Lexington. What's going on? Lots of low clouds here, and the cold air just squeezes out all the moisture that there is in the atmosphere, and there is not much, because if you're like me, you're probably noticing your hands are drier, your lips are just more chapped. We've been talking about that all morning here in the studio, where we just have to keep putting on a chapstick. Air is so dry, so there's hardly any moisture to be able to squeeze out anyway, but that cold air holds less of that moisture, and what do you get from those clouds? Some occasional flurries and snow showers. 9, the temperature in Flemingsburg, 11 in Lexington, 14 Somerset and Monticello, 16 in Pikeville. But the wind chill is just adding insult to injury. Occasionally, we'll get the wind chills that drop below zero. Other times, the wind chills are hanging out closer to the single digits. So that'll be the case throughout the day. We'll get a bit of a breeze that likely picks up as we go into the afternoon, creating wind chills sometimes below zero. I'll tell you tonight, though, absolutely tonight, especially starting this evening, we expect the wind to pick up between about 10 to 15 for most of the night, creating wind chills 10 to 20 below zero. Not the air temperatures, the wind chill. But that's what the wind will make your body feel like if you're going outside to exposed. If your skin's exposed to the wind, that's how cold it will feel. So we do gradually, from west to east, get the clouds out of here. The last area to see some clearing, far eastern Kentucky. But temperatures over there right now are already in the mid-teens. So some spots are looking at the temperatures currently being their high temperatures for today. Cold front comes through here tomorrow evening. With it, another batch of some clouds. And guess what? We'll squeeze out some snow showers and flurries out of that. Not a big deal, but we can't rule out maybe a minor accumulation from some of those occasional snow showers, but not much. Same story with those that are out there today. Into the teens for highs. Wind chills at times below zero. Tonight, wind chills dangerous. 10 to 20 below zero for wind chills, with actual air temperatures below zero to above zero. The wind may actually help to keep the actual air temperature above zero, but it is going to be creating a dangerous wind chill. So either way you slice it, very, 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 very cold tonight. PM flurries and snow showers tomorrow evening with the cold front, and then another little disturbance comes through Wednesday into Thursday, squeezing out some snow showers. Later into Friday, into Saturday, some more snow showers, and another Arctic plunge into Friday and Saturday. If things pan out just right with cloud cover, highs on Saturday may struggle to get above 10 degrees. Very, very cold, but if there is a positive here that I see beyond our 7-day, next week, I think we mild up the temperatures above freezing for most of next week.
All right, well, something to look forward to, but right now, Justin, this is trash.